What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy Lando Visions, the mobile video photographer. Let y'all know exactly what's going on and what's happening. Hey, look, it's 2022. I'm trying to get things going. I'm trying to get things happening. I want to bring back people that hasn't been brought back before. I want to bring back the soul of people. I want to bring back to the original hip hop stage to where it's not that mumbo jumbo. I want to see a lot of people out here showing their talent. A lot of people out here doing their due. A lot of people requested Lando Visions. Yo, what's good? Check this out. Got you. Let me set up real quick. Let's do what we gotta do. Um, a lot of people I don't see shooting with their iPhones. So I'm actually trying to take something to a whole new level. I'm actually still currently shooting off of the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12 mini, which are actually doing very, very good. If you actually check out my Instagram channel, I can definitely put you into something like that. I just figured, you know what? Why buy a DSLR camera? Why buy a mirrorless camera? Why buy, something that I can be using now and then in the future is just sitting on the shelf? What I have in my hand is what I use every day. So, you know what? I was like, let me just take everything to the fullest and see exactly what I can do. Start taking photos, start taking minor videos, start doing videos of what I like to do. And so far, so good. It has came out okay. I worked with a couple of musical artists. There was some ups and downs on how they want things and so forth. And I literally told them I couldn't do it. I literally told them I couldn't do it. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm back on my feet. I'm ready to start off a whole new leaf. I'm ready to get everything back on track the way it's supposed to be and keep Lando Visions pushing. And hopefully, Lando Visions can actually make it to a point where everybody's making videos. I want to help everybody out. I want to help everybody that's out here. Everything that I use is iPhone based, iPad based, GarageBand, Nano Studio. Shout outs to them. Shout outs to Beatmaker. I'm not sponsored with none of them, so I'm just letting y'all know that now. Shout outs to Apple for still keeping GarageBand and banging update. Filmic Pro, Luma Fusion. Shout outs to all y'all, even though I know I'm not sponsored by y'all, but hey, look, y'all have did a lot, and y'all have made the mobile photography, video photography industry come to be something that nobody thought it could be, and a lot of people don't see that, like I use iMovie a lot. iMovie is okay, I'm not hating on iMovie, respects to iMovie, shout outs to Apple again. But Luma Fusion has took it to a whole new another level to the point where you can edit it, you can fade, you can EQ your sound, you can use your storybook, which is $9.99 a month, which I'm actually putting out there. I don't have any plugs of that. But you can, oh my God, like Luma Fusion is like one of the best. iMovie, when I started off, that's what I was using. iMovie was a lot of limitations, so you had to download different apps to get things and import it back in and make sure it's the right resolution and everything was the right bit rate, the way everything ran smoothly. But with LumaFusion, I can go in and jeez, I can product anything that I need to, anything, commercials. I can go in do mini vlogs like what I'm doing right now. And actually, I'm using a YouTube app right now, so you know figured I'd try something different. I figured I'd try something different. So, shout outs to everybody that's out there that's doing the mobile production. Shout outs to everybody out there that's doing it live directly here. Shout outs to Moment. Shout outs to Think Media. Shout outs to, oh God, it's a list of people. ProGrip, Mobile Media, Mobile Photographer, shoot, there's so many names I can't even name right now. Like honest truth, but shout outs to everybody out there that's making it possible for us mobile photographers out here. That's even actually starting, and the ones that are actually that's in the experience range. That's doing it and actually showing. Okay, well, this is what you can do, but if you do this, you might get a better result. But it's all up to your eyes and your vision and your heart exactly the way you want to take your photography at. And I'm ready to move it to the next level, y'all.